Hello, I believe we are live. Please give me a moment. I'll make sure everything is working fine and we'll get started. Seems to be good. Video working fine. Brilliant. Okay, 4 o'clock in the UK on the 6th of October 2020. My name is Jose and welcome to today's YouTube live stream. Every weekday we go live at this time and on this channel and go through various topics on digital marketing, Google Ads, video ads, pretty much anything to do with promoting your business, generating new leads and sales. So obviously these sessions are completely for free and anyone can join in at any time. These are extremely informal, and any questions you may have, please do ask, because I'll try and answer them for you to the best of my abilities. So the format of the sessions is that I'll go through a certain topic in the beginning, and towards the end I'm going to refer to the comments box around the video and answer any questions you may have. So please feel free to ping along any questions you remember, or if you have any question, topic or subject which I'm showing you on screen. So at the end I'm going to go to the questions. Hello Amish, lovely to see you here. Okay, so today it's not going to be about Google Ads. It is going to be on content marketing, creation, and how to design your content. What I mean by content can be in a multiple of formats. It could be text format, video, audio, or a podcast, infographics, or pretty much anything you want to use these formats to put out. We as a business, we made a decision 2.5 years ago that video will be at the core of our marketing mix. Everything starts with video at the forefront, and from there we will create blog posts, infographics, images, so on. But you can do just a blog post, or you can create a podcast, infographics, or anything you want, but you must focus on one a medium and then push it out on others. And what I mean by that is, don't try and do everything at the same time. So it could be video or podcast. I've not gone into because this alone is keeping us so busy that we've not looked at podcast. And for us, podcasts may not work as well because I'm showing you walkthroughs and tutorials on how to set up a campaign, or how to design a Google Ads or write a Google Ads, and so on. So for us, podcast, I'm not saying that we will never start on a podcast. We never know. In the future, we may decide that we dip into podcasting. But for now, video is where we are. We create the videos and we start. The most questions which I'm sent for blogging and content creation is, people stumble across this problem of not knowing what to write, what to create, and they hit a brick wall very quickly because they run out of ideas. This shouldn't be a problem because there's so much content and so many ideas you can write on or create content on. You just cannot stop. Even if you are writing 10 blogs a day, you'll never run out of ideas. So today I'm going to show you how you can get inspirations, ideas to create content for your website, and how to take your marketing to the next level. What you want to do is, you want to be consistent first of all, just like we are in our marketing every day at 4 o'clock, every weekday I should say, at 4 o'clock. everyone who is on our email list and our subscribers, they know that we will go online and all of you join in at this certain time. So this is now becoming a habit that everybody knows that, okay, at this such and such time, the Uzair or Farzana will be live on YouTube. Just like we have TV programs on TV. We know the news will come at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, or certain dramas or soaps are going to come up on certain days at certain time. That's what you want to be doing, is you want to be consistent so that your audience expect at this such time I'm going to get the email, we're going to go live, or we're going to upload content on our website. The content creation is where we need to focus on, because to get Google rankings, if you're not running ads, the only way you're going to rank on Google is through content. It does take a fair bit of work. You need to create good quality content, and you must be consistent. When we pass a shop, and you will see the shop window every few weeks, the shop owners will change the display in the shop window. Why do they do that? Why don't they just keep the same thing and not bother changing? It's because people who are passing by in front of that shop, they want to attract their attention, and the shopkeeper wants them to stop, take a sneak peek. Oh, what's this? This is something new or something interesting. I'm going to go in and have a look. The same thing happens with all the bots, the search engines, that they keep coming to your shop and they don't, to your website, and they don't see anything new. They're just going to go away. But if whenever they come to the website or your blog and they see something new, they are going to index it. And this is how you will keep on getting indexed. And then they will know that this website creates good quality content. They upload it regularly. They are uploading the way we, or Google I'm referring to, because that's the biggest search engine in the world, we tell them to do. They are putting up all the tags, the description, using the keywords. They're not spammy. They're putting up high quality content. When people come to the website, they stay on the website for 3 or more minutes, or click a video to view it. They're engaging, interacting with the website the same way when somebody comes into the shop and they go walk through the different aisles. If they come into a shop and they go out after 5 seconds, no matter how good the products are in that shop, they are not going to be sold or purchased by the client, because they haven't even looked at it. They haven't looked at the price. They haven't touched it, felt it, seen the quality of the product. They're coming in and going out. Now this will, this should and will cause concern for the shopkeeper. Why is everyone coming into my shop and within 5 seconds, as soon as they step in, they're bouncing off? And this is what we call the bouncing off, right? The bounce rate in Google. So you as a business owner or a website owner should also take this on board. Why are they not sticking around on my website when I'm putting up so much content? Are you attracting the wrong clientele, the wrong audience? Or as soon as the website, they don't like the headline or the image or the text, and they find it too confusing, or there could be a number of reasons why they are bouncing off. So the shopkeeper needs to do the same thing. Is it the atmosphere? Is there a smell? The lighting is good or not? It's clean or dirty? And that will decide whether someone who has entered the shop is going to stick around to make a purchase or not. So what you want to do is create high quality content so that the visitors to your website, they stick around. So to get some ideas for your blog or website, I'm going to show you some other websites where you can go and get some answers, ideas, inspirations. Go on other competitors' blogs and websites, but don't copy it like word for word or whatever they put up. Get some inspiration and ideas and create your own. So this is one of the best websites you'll visit if you are struggling to create content. This is answerthepublic.com, and all you do is I'm going to go to the home page. All right, so you will find over here, I'm just gonna put in Google Ads search. Okay, I've been searching before, so it has given me a message now that I've reached the maximum number for the free searches. So obviously it's a paid version as well, but you can easily try the free version. But what this website will give you is what people are asking, and you will get lots of ideas over here. So let's say over here, dresses for Christmas, wedding guest, work, party, graduation. So if you had a dress shop, you can see what people are searching for. Although you can go on Google as well, that's not a problem. You'll get exact questions as to what people are asking in here. It's a great website. You know, which shorts suit me, which boxer shorts are best, so these kind of, which cycling shorts, and so on. And you'll see loads and loads of questions, which you can then get some great ideas and create content. Now, what you should do is you can create multiple blog posts on the same keyword or topic, and then interlink them within your website, and that is going to create even better rankings for your site and blog. So you can target one blog post for keyword 1, keyword 2, 3, and so, and you'll have hundreds over here. Literally, you can write as much as you want, or get somebody to write it for you. So that's one website which is really amazing to get content ideas from. Second one is Quora, one of my favorite ones. Sure why it is not loading up, but it should in a second. Yeah, I'm gonna come on to that in a minute. BuzzSumo is another one where you can find the content that performs. So this website shows you what is what are the type of content which is being shared. So let's say if I go Google Ads or digital marketing, let's go a bit broad. So over here as well, if you're on the free plan, you're allowed about 4 or 3 or 5. You can see that abnewswire.com has got a blog post or a post about digital marketing, practical digital marketing solutions, and effective local search rankings. So that had Facebook engagement 503,000. That's quite good. This is another one from campaignarchive.com, 152,000. Digital marketing for shawacademy.com, 102,000. And if you want to see more, then obviously you need to get the paid version. But you'll get some great ideas as to what people are putting up, what type of content they are writing. And again, you can get inspiration, because if somebody has put in, let's say, top 50 tips for Google Ads, then you can do one better and make 70 or 80 or 100 top tips on Google Ads, and see how your blog post performs and hopefully goes viral. So BuzzSumo is another one. Let's go back to Quora. It's still behaving or not? Yeah, okay. So if I go search for Google Ads, in here people are going to, okay, still not, it doesn't like it. All right, I'm gonna go back to the home page, see if I've got something over here. So somebody has asked, sometimes I see SEO tools that call out issues, how do top agencies automate client PPC reporting. So this is a good one. Now I can quite easily answer that. At the moment, there's nobody has replied over here. So all I would do is click here to answer, and I'll answer my reply in here. So one of the ways to report using completely free. Most Google products, we love using Google Data Studio. You can write a short one or a long one, but what I have also done is I can go to my YouTube channel, because we have got lots and lots of videos. I can pick up a video which is relevant to this question and post a video reply in here without having to make one up. Or you can just do a little video with your smartphone and put it on there. So that's a great way to put your name out there and also get ideas for your content as to what people are searching for. So we've done Quora, we've done BuzzSumo. Reddit is unbelievable. It can send you so much traffic to your website that it can potentially bring any website down. But you need to be very careful with Reddit. Don't go in there and start spamming with links and links to the community in Reddit. They are brutal. If you do something, join the community, join in the conversation, and then if somebody has asked a particular question, you can reply back, and they're going to send you a ton of traffic. It's massive. It is unbelievable. One of the of the internet. So this is where you can get a lot of ideas on any topic you like. You can search what you want, and they have got subreddits. Join in those communities. Okay, now this is creating our text or the blog post ideas, or writing, or creating video ideas, about designing your graphics and the image cards for your videos and so on. And for that we use, now for some reason there was a problem, so I can't show you the animated version today, but it's just a case of putting in some images, logos, put up the text, and you have got the animate, or you can use a PNG to output. Download versions over here. Download MP4, GIF, PDF, PNG, JPEG, so on. The good thing I love about Canva is they have a ton of templates for every size imaginable. So you've got your Facebook post, YouTube channel art, Twitch banner, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook ad, video, posters, presentations, you name it, they've got it in. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Flyers, stories, brochures, photo collages, so many. We hardly use any of these. But what we do use it for is creating our image cards for our YouTube and Facebook, LinkedIn, and all these places. So if I have artwork, which is the horizontal format. Now we've got the paid version. You can use the free one, but the paid version has got some really cool features in here, especially the resize one. So if I want to create this into a square one, all I do is I go into custom size, 1080 or whatever you want, click resize, and see how quick and easy it is. This seems to be locked. I think somebody must be working on it. I'm gonna try another file which will be unlocked. Let's try this one. Or it could be that this bug is still there, letting me type. Won't let me delete it either. That's also element can't be edited. Try unlocking it. Aha, not a bug. It was me. Error. All right. If I want to change this image, I can go to my uploads and put in any other image, resize it, whatever I want, move these around a bit. Very easy, extremely easy. So this one I'm literally creating from the ground up. You can narrow this banner. So on that. And even to create something brand new, pretty quick. Okay, for now. This was a low resolution image. That's why it's getting a bit pixelated, but you can get the gist. Backward. All right, so let's say I'm happy with this layout. I'm going to download it as a PNG or whatever. Then I want to make it a different size, resize, and I want to make this into a 1920 by 1080p. Now I can just move this around. I can make that a bit bigger, something like that. And very quickly I've been able to resize it and so on. So it's got loads of features. You've got elements, you've got text, styles, you can add music, you can create mini videos, you can put in a sticker, where is it? Stickers, shapes, all sorts really. You can see how much. And just to put in a sticker, all you do is click on it. If I want to advertise an event every Thursday or Wednesday or whatever, you can just put them in. It's worth that. I think it's about $10 to $12 a month. It's worth every penny. And this is how we create our digital images and little mini videos, which we upload on our social media channels. So I hope you got an idea as to how you can create content for your website. There really isn't any excuse. If you say, oh, I don't know what to write, what to create, then I'm sorry, you're not trying hard enough. There's so much content out there. You should be able to create with your eyes closed. All right, so now is the question time. So please in, and I'm going to list. Hello everyone. Amesh, Nikhil, Mike, Emily, Sandeep. Nikhil, it's an interesting topic because I'm facing a lot of issues in creating content via Canva for different platforms. I'm not sure why you're having problems. We never have. We use it day in, day out for creating these image graphics and designs. So if you can expand your question or resend it a little bit in detail to what problems you're facing. If it's something technical or it's crashing all the time, then it could be it's not properly installed on your machine. I mean, this one, the app which you can download on the Mac, but you can also use an online Canva through the interface, through the Chrome extension, so you don't need to. It should work. What problem you're facing? Sandeep, can you tell social media free tool for scheduling? Now we've gone the other route, Sandy. We are using, I believe, later for that. But for Facebook, you can have its own built-in scheduler, and you can schedule your videos on YouTube as well. I'm not the social media expert, but what I would say to you is be careful what you are using. So some tools like Buffer, or what's the other one called, is slipping my mind. Social channels don't like people automated tools because people keep on scheduling it and stop, and the quality of the content is not so good because it's just been uploaded every non-stop. So if you want to create more engagement, I would say you upload it through the social media channels. I know it's a lot more work, but you will find that the organic growth will be a lot more compared to using these tools. So Nikhil, your problem is mainly related to the size of image which we have to choose in different social media. Size is not a problem because you can create your custom sizes over here. You can either create a custom size, you want whatever you want, just put them in, just like I've done. So that shouldn't be. You've got all these other sizes in here, and I'm sure you will find one for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and all of these. We've not had any issues whatsoever creating these. So maybe you're not using the custom size option, which you need to use. It could be you are on the free version and it may not allow you to do a custom size. I'm not sure, but please check. If you don't get this option, then definitely it is that problem. So you will need to spend about $10 a month on this. It's worth it. It's going to save you so much time. It's a no-brainer. Nikhil, the color and text we should use while creating a carousel on Canva. Light shades or a combination of light and gray. It really depends on your brand colors. So we will always use our purple over here. We will have our fonts in Open Sans. So we're using purple and black, but most of the time we will be, well, all the time we will be using our brand color. So you got to have a brand kit, which you can create in Canva somewhere here. I can't remember where it is. Headlines, so the headlines should be this font, sub-headlines should be this one, and the paragraph should be that one. And again, depends on how much text you got on a carousel. If you got 6 lines of text, your text will be smaller. And if you got just 1 or 2, then you can make your text as big as possible. It really is, I think you've got a design issue rather than a tool issue. You got to get a graphic designer to help you with your branding and then get you going. So once you've got that template of your carousels, and we will be starting these very soon, and you'll see our carousel. So whenever I see a nice carousel, let me see if I can find one. In fact, I don't have that right now. I'll try and get it across to you tomorrow. If you remind me, I'll dig it out. I'll just keep them in a swipe file, and then I'll just give it to my graphic designer. These ones I like, these ones I don't like, and then they will create the carousel or the card or the image accordingly. Hi Mike, do you know any good software for creating logos that is not too complicated to use? Logo designing is a talent. Apps will give you some designs, but it will be too similar. You got to hire a graphic designer for that and get it professionally designed. Amish, how can we track Google shopping campaign just like you would from any other conversions? So from Shopify, you have a direct integration from there, and you'll set it up. And so I've got all the other ones as well, like WooCommerce, PrestaShop. There are loads of shopping carts. Every shopping cart will have a same one, but the best way is to use Google Analytics and import them as well into Google Ads, so that each value is imported. Every order will be pretty much value. Somebody may buy $100 item, and someone may buy item. So you need to bring that value in through to your Google Ads. And how to do research for headline and titles? Is it designed on search volume in Planner and Google Trends? Yeah, Google Trends is good, but the headline doesn't. It needs to be on obviously the way we write. I mean, everybody writes the ads differently. The way we write our ads is we make sure that the headline one has got the search term query or the keyword. So as soon as somebody has searched for, buy, then the headline one should and will say, the juiciest red apples or the best red apples. And that's how you want to write. You got to give somebody what they are looking for straight up. So doing the keyword research will not help you, because if you don't write that ad the right way, and I've shown you many times how we are writing the ads, you follow that format, you'll be good to go. Headline comparisons, no, you can't use those, because then you will need to split test by using different headlines and see which one is getting the most click-throughs first of all, and the one which is not getting a click, try and change it and bring another ad in play. Okay, I think I've covered pretty much everything. So tomorrow we'll be back here again, same place, same time, with a different topic. So thank you very much for being here today, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Stay safe. Till then, goodbye.